As you can see, GR Corolla will launch with two grades. An over-the-top, everything but the kitchen sink core model, and this extra spicy limited circuit edition that will only be available for the 23 model year. The circuit edition features a forged carbon fiber roof, rear spoiler, and vented aluminum hood. The GR4 system with dual LSD is standard, along with opposed front and rear mounted, red painted, GR logoed brake calipers that you can see right there. By the way, those calipers and the dual LSD are also available as part of the performance package on the core model. You'll be able to get that bad boy in white, supersonic red, and a circuit edition exclusive heavy metal. We finally have a hot hatch right here in the United States. And don't worry, it's coming to other parts of the world as well. Born from rally, its Toyota roots run deep, with the power, agility, comfort, and quality both enthusiasts and everyday drivers desire. We even spent an extra year working on it, testing it and tweaking it until we got the performance just right. It's powered by the turbocharged G16E 3-cylinder. Yes, I said 3-cylinder, 1.6 liter engine, and it delivers an incredible 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. The drivetrain is the famed GR4 all-wheel drive system that was developed for the GR Yaris and is also used in the WRC model. Designed for maximum control, the GR4 system features all-wheel drive with selectable front-to-rear power distribution settings for a variety of driving and weather conditions. There's only one, and it's not an automatic. This baby only comes with a 6-speed manual, so you can throw your own to your heart's desire. It's built on a highly rigid, reinforced unibody that's specifically made for GR Corolla. The broad hatch profile is accentuated by wide fenders for an attack-ready stance, and aerodynamically, the rear lip spoiler and functional vents improve handling. Its sport-tuned suspension rides on 18-inch wheels, paired with impressive 14-inch slotted rotors with 4-piston calipers in the front, and in the rear, 11-inch rotors with 2 pistons. Now on the inside, a race-inspired 12.3-inch digital display has a high visibility gauge cluster. Seating for 5 with GR logoed sport fabric seats, and since it's a hatch, there's plenty of cabinetry, with rear seats that fold down, creating just enough space for a full set of track tires. On the infotainment front, it'll come equipped with our all-new Toyota multimedia system with an 8-inch touchscreen. A premium JBL audio package is also available. And for safety, it comes with our latest TSS 3.0 system with improved vehicle detection capabilities. With the arrival of the GR Corolla, plus the powered-up 86 and the iconic Supra, it's safe to say that Toyota GAZOO Racing has officially arrived to the shores of North America. And now, we have a bold new chapter in Toyota's sports car saga. Developed by enthusiasts, for enthusiasts, and born on the track, not in the boardroom. Thank you for joining us here